If you've ever stared at lifeless, compacted soil and wondered how to breathe life back into it without breaking the bank, compost tea is your answer. This liquid gold transforms even the most depleted earth into a thriving ecosystem teeming with beneficial microorganisms. I've personally witnessed compost tea revive soil so poor that nothing would grow, turning it into fertile ground that produces abundant harvests within weeks. Understanding the microbial magic compost tea works by extracting and multiplying the beneficial bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes that exist in quality compost. When you brew this tea properly, you're creating a concentrated solution containing millions of these soil superheroes per teaspoon. These microorganisms immediately begin rebuilding the soil food web that industrial agriculture and chemical fertilizers have destroyed. The magic happens at the microscopic level. Beneficial bacteria break down organic matter into forms plants can readily absorb, while mycorrhizal fungi extend plant root systems by up to 1,000 times their original reach. Protozoa release nitrogen by consuming bacteria, and beneficial nematodes hunt down harmful pests, while leaving beneficial organisms untouched. This biological symphony restores soil structure, improves water retention, and creates the foundation for explosive plant growth. Selecting your base ingredients. The quality of your compost tea depends entirely on your starting materials. High-quality aged compost serves as your primary ingredient, but not all compost is created equal. Look for compost that smells earthy and sweet, contains visible fungal threads, and feels crumbly rather than slimy. Avoid compost that smells sour or ammonia-like, as this indicates anaerobic decomposition that produces harmful rather than beneficial microorganisms. Worm castings represent the gold standard for compost tea brewing. These nutrient-dense pellets contain incredibly diverse microbial communities and provide the perfect foundation for explosive microbial reproduction. If you can only afford one premium ingredient, make it quality worm castings. For additional microbial diversity, consider adding a handful of forest soil from beneath established trees. This introduces mycorrhizal fungi and other beneficial organisms that rarely survive in commercial compost, but are essential for soil restoration. The brewing process that makes all the difference. Creating effective compost tea requires more than simply steeping compost in water. You need to provide oxygen-rich conditions that favor beneficial aerobic microorganisms while preventing harmful anaerobic bacteria from taking over. This means continuous aeration throughout the entire brewing process. Fill a 5-gallon bucket with dechlorinated water, leaving space at the top for vigorous bubbling. Municipal water contains chlorine that kills the very microorganisms you're trying to cultivate, so either use rainwater, well water, or let tap water sit uncovered for 24 hours to allow chlorine to evaporate. Add 2 cups of quality compost or 1 cup of worm castings to the water, along with 1 tablespoon of unsulfured molasses. The molasses serves as food for beneficial bacteria, causing their populations to explode during the brewing process. Some brewers add kelp meal or fish emulsion for additional nutrients, but molasses alone provides sufficient food for robust microbial reproduction. Install an aquarium air pump with tubing and an air stone to maintain constant aeration. The water should bubble vigorously throughout the entire brewing period. Insufficient aeration allows anaerobic conditions to develop, creating tea that can actually harm your plants and soil. Timing and temperature for maximum potency. Brew your compost tea for exactly 48 hours at temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Shorter brewing times don't allow sufficient microbial reproduction, while longer periods can lead to nutrient depletion and microbial die-off. The tea should smell pleasant and earthy when ready. Any foul or sour odors indicate anaerobic conditions and potentially harmful microorganisms. Temperature significantly affects brewing success. Cold temperatures slow microbial reproduction, while excessive heat kills beneficial organisms. If brewing in cold conditions, consider placing the bucket in a warm location, or wrapping it with insulation to maintain optimal temperatures. Application techniques for maximum impact. Apply compost tea immediately after brewing for maximum effectiveness. Beneficial microorganisms begin dying within hours of completing the brewing process, so delay reduces potency dramatically. Strain the tea through cheesecloth or a fine mesh to prevent clogging spray equipment, but avoid filtering so finely that you remove beneficial organisms. For soil application, dilute the tea one with water and apply directly to the root zone using a watering can or hose-end sprayer. Saturate the soil thoroughly, ensuring the tea penetrates to root depth. The goal is to inoculate the soil with beneficial microorganisms that will continue multiplying long after application. Foliar applications require more diluted tea, typically 110 with water, applied early morning or late evening to prevent leaf burn. Spray both upper and lower leaf surfaces for maximum absorption. This method provides immediate nutrient uptake while establishing beneficial microorganisms on leaf surfaces that protect against diseases. Maximizing long-term soil transformation. Consistent application produces the most dramatic results. Apply compost tea weekly during active growing seasons and monthly during dormant periods. Each application adds more beneficial microorganisms while providing gentle, slow-release nutrients that won't burn plants or disrupt soil chemistry. Combine compost tea applications with other organic practices like mulching and avoiding chemical inputs for exponential improvements. The microorganisms in your tea work synergistically with organic matter to create self-sustaining soil ecosystems that continue improving over time. Within months of regular compost tea applications, you'll notice improved soil structure, increased earthworm populations, better water retention, and dramatically healthier plants. Even severely degraded soil responds quickly to this biological approach, often showing visible improvements within the first few applications. Ready to transform your soil into a living, breathing ecosystem that produces incredible results? Start brewing compost tea today and witness the transformation yourself. Subscribe to Hydrohaven for more organic gardening secrets, and share this guide with fellow gardeners who deserve to experience the power of biological soil restoration.